Hey beauties, Whitney here, coming to you with a flawless foundation routine. I get asked on the regular about my skin regimen, so I'm so excited to be able to share with you what it is that I do for my face on a daily basis in terms of makeup. If makeup and foundation is really not your ministry, you're not down with the cake face as I am, I totally get it. I am all about process versus products. And if you don't like all of this, feel free to just kind of omit. Hopefully you're watching this because you are down with the cake face. You definitely like applying product after product. So I basically go in with foundation. I go in with concealer to highlight. And then you're going to also see that I, after blending this out, that I definitely like to contour the face and just really set it off. Yeah, so enjoy this video. If you have any questions, please get at me. Thank you so much for watching this video. It was fun to film. I love putting on makeup. If you want to see more, please like and subscribe.